Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. The image you project. Be genuine about who you truly are and the image you project to the world. Sincerity and honesty is what you should strive and seek for. Find someone you trust to reveal your thoughts to. When confiding to a friend, seek the solution. Don't focus on the problem with so much intensity. Learn to let go of any attachment and embrace the phoenix you were born to be. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was power. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, just close your eyes and think about 3 things you're grateful for right now. I am grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my friends. And I'm grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.